Welcome to our Grammar Grabber for this week. We are looking at the sentence you see on the screen. Little Red Riding Hood lived in the woods with her mother. The first thing we need to do is find our subject. Who or what is doing the action? That goes in the first section of our sentence diagramming. The name of the person is Little Red Riding Hood. That's also why her entire name is capitalized, because it's her proper name. Next, what did she do? She lived. So we'll enter that here as part of our predicate. The next part that we have in our sentence are two phrases. In the woods is one prepositional phrase, and with her mother is a second prepositional phrase. To mark our prepositional phrases, we are going to use these diagonal lines with horizontal lines connected because we are adding more information to our sentence. So, how does in the woods connect with our sentence? In the woods is where she lived. So we're going to connect in the woods with the verb lived. So our preposition goes here on our diagonal line. And our object of the preposition, our noun, is woods. There's one word describing the woods. And which woods are they? They are the woods. So it goes on the diagonal line by itself, connected to the noun, which means that it's an adjective. Our next prepositional phrase, with her mother, has the preposition with, and the object of the preposition is mother. So preposition goes on our diagonal line, and object of the preposition, mother, goes on the horizontal line. And whose mother is it? Our adjective, her mother. Make sure you have this copied down in your journal.